Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make the paneer cabbage paratha. So let's get started. For the filling, we need 1 cup of grated cabbage, half cup of crumbled paneer, 1.5 tablespoon of vegetable oil plus oil to coat the parathas, 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder, salt to taste. Also we need chapati dough. For the dipping we need half cup of curd, black salt, pepper and amchur powder according to the sourness of the curd. Heat some oil in a pan. Add the ajwain. Let it infuse for around 15 seconds. Add the cabbage. Mix it well. Spread it evenly and let it cook on low flame for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. The cabbage has softened completely. Now add all the spices. Switch off the flame, then add the paneer. Mix it well to make it mushy. The filling has mixed well. Let it cool down completely before adding it to the dough. Take a small amount of dough in your hand, flatten it. Now add the filling. Remove the excess. Make it a circle. Cover it in some dry atta. Then roll it. Heat the pan. Cook the paratha for around a minute. After 1 minute, flip it over and grease it with oil. Do the same with the opposite side. It took almost 2 minutes to cook the paratha completely. For the dip, beat the dahi until smooth. Add the salt and amchur powder. Mix it well. And the dip is ready. So our paneer cabbage paratha is ready. Serve it hot. Thanks for watching. Like and share my video.